Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to protect your Excel sheets with your password. Let me show how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I have important confidential files, financial details, everything with me with the Excel. So Excel is a beautiful software to create a different kind of financial method and strategical analytics, everything. So this is my important document. So I have the workbook. So this is called for a workbook. So I have the sheets. So these are the sheets. I would like to share this book to persons to get analytics. So I would like to protect the sheet so no one can touch and change. They can able to view, so no one can touch and change the data and details, everything. So everything's all important. They can able to see, but with my permission only they can able to edit. So no one can do any other editing and modification on this rate and all the details what I should do. Yes, here the beautiful option is given from the Excel. So we can protect the sheet, whatever sheet you want, you can protect the particular sheets. So for example, from 2010 to 14, I would like to have entire documents with me. So I would like to protect this particular sheet. So here there will be a home tab, insert tab and different kind of tabs. Just click a review tab. So once you click a review tab, you will get option called protect sheet and protect workbook. So protect workbook means your workbook, entire workbook will be protected with the password only. They can able to open the file, but the protect sheet means your sheet will be visible to your audience or anyone else, but no one can change anything. So I just select a protect sheet. Once you select protect sheet, it will ask you to unprotect sheet, that is password to give. So I just give a basic password. So protect a worksheet with a whatever lock you want. For example, you are a person, you are sharing, the person should not format your cell, should not add a columns, row formatting, insert columns, everything. So delete columns and delete rows, sort and auto filter and pivot tables, edit objects and edit scenarios, everything I have to give the checkbox, because the people can view my document, that is financial statement they can view, but unfortunately if they change anything means everything will be collapsed. So I have given all the checkbox. I just click OK. So once I click OK, automatically it will ask you for re-enter the password. So just re-enter the same password and give OK. Yes, now my sheet is protected. See, this sheet and this sheet, I have 3 sheets. I have protected only 2010 to 14 sheet. Just I save the file. Yes, I have saved the file with a file menu, click save. So I have saved the file. So now I just close the file. Now my file is shared with my colleague or my financial advisor. If they open the file means the file can able to visible. So they can able to see whatever a rate and whatever financial documents, everything they can able to view. But if unfortunately if they want to edit something means no one can edit, because it will ask you this cell, that is this cell and chart you are trying to, this one is protected. So no one can access without my permission, because I have locked the sheet and I have given to them. So they can able to view, they cannot change anything over here in the sheet. But 2020 2021 I didn't give any other access, so they can able to edit whatever they want. See, so they can edit whatever they want. If unfortunately if they edit means the rate and everything will be changed over here. So I didn't give any protection, but I have given the protection option here, so they can able to see, but they can't move or copy or anything. They never do anything because I have protected this one. So this is a beautiful option you can get. You can share your sheet with your financial or with your marks or any other document, but you can protect and send to them so that they cannot change anything. They can view and verify what they want. Yes, it is a beautiful option. How to unprotect that option? Yes, here there will be a review saying go to review option, unprotect sheet. It will ask you the password. Just give the correct password and enter OK. Automatically your file will be unprotected. Now you can type whatever you want, automatically it will be added over here. So it is a beautiful option. You can protect your sheet so that no one can change anything without you, unless you can give the permission to them. Yes, this option may help you to protect your Excel sheet to work your work environmental. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.